Microsoft Excel for beginners. We have designed this course for beginners so that you can gather up as much knowledge as you need for beginner to start your Excel journey. Excel is a powerful tools that you can use, but there are few tools that is not needed for you or for your work purpose. We have designed this course with all of the content that is needed for a beginner to start their Excel journey. So let's see what all the category that we have. So first we have how to get started with Excel, create an open workbook, create new worksheet, tables and ribbons. Then we have how we can save data. We have save workbook in your PC or how you can save workbook on your cloud. Then there are error function that you might get while doing your Excel. So we have cover up value, div, name, NA, refs, those in error function. Then we have logical function and or not, XOR, switch and row logical functions. Moving further, we have conditional function which we can use if function, if else function, nested if function, use if function and calculate letter grade in Excel, use if I function to calculate. So on this conditional function we have if else functions, if function, nested function, use if function to calculate letter grades in Excel. Then we have moved to filter function, how to use filter function in Excel, how you can use that. Date function, we have date function, dative function, edate function, emonth function, today and now function. Then on text function we have cover up, length, meet, rip, split, trim and show grid option. And then we have go to Google spreadsheet function where you can learn how you can detect language from in Google spreadsheet. We have convert number to word option. We have create a drop down list, dynamic drop down list. Then we will move to lookup function, index function, match function, exact function, VLOOKUP, approximate match function, VLOOKUP function, HLOOKUP function, HLOOKUP function, XLOOKUP function. Then we have web function which is hyperlink, import data from web to Excel. Then we have chart and graph where we have create a beautiful chart for your data. Then we have pivot table, how to use pivot table, sorting and filtering, sort function and filter function. Then we have flash fill, merge and spreadsheet data using flash fill. Then we have panels, freeze panels and split panels. Then we have move up to multiple worksheet and workbook where rename and color worksheet there, add and delete worksheet, hide and unhide worksheet, move and copy worksheet, worksheet group. Then we have created share and collaboration, protect worksheet, protect book, share Excel book with multiple user, page size, headers and footers, page settings, page break and printing section as well. So hope you understood what all we have gathered on this course. So see you all our course enroll now to our Microsoft Excel course.